Welcome back guys in another tutorial. Today we will discuss about one very useful trick that is very useful for the people those are working in survey field like building surveyor, land surveyor or road surveyor. So let's start our lessons. Today our lesson about how we can take coordinate for our plot. So this is our plot, and I want the coordinate for this whole point that we have. This one we will use point command, and I will place all point in on every corner, and we'll show up our points. Alright, so we can select this point, and we can go here in the property, and we can see this is our position. X is equal to easting and Y is equal to nothing. So I want this coordinate in CSV file to use in Civil 3D. So how we can make take coordinate in CSV file? For this we will go in tools, and I will choose this data extraction, and we'll create the file. I will have this already 3 files here for, so I will override this one file. Okay, so now data source is asking about, so our data source is our points. So we'll select all our points, and we enter. Now we will do next, and here select the objects and to extract data from. So already point is there, so make next, and you can see in this list we need only geometry, another we will make it uncheck. So you can see we have the whole position here, so we don't need Z position. I will uncheck this Z position, and we will do next again, and here there's all our point. So here the point name is point because we didn't we have all point there. So if you don't want its name there or number there, you can check or uncheck from here. So after that, if everything is fine here, we can do next, and it's asking output options. So we will click on output data to external file. So I will choose the path, and this is my default path for the documents. It's okay, I will keep same as it. So just make it safe, and next, and finish. Now let's check our CSV file. So guys, this is our file that we extract our coordinate, nothing and easting, as you can see. I hope guys you like this video, and if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Thanks for watching.